These are the COVID-19 statistics for Richmond-upon-Thames. Over the last 7 days, the rate of infection for the borough stands at 231 cases per 100,000 head of population, and this equates to 435 new cases of the virus being detected in the last 7 days, bringing the total number of cases identified since March 2020 to 9,306. Unfortunately, since the last update, a further 19 deaths have been directly linked to the virus in the borough, bringing the total number of deaths identified since February 2020 to 221. Over the last 7 days, 7,404 people have been tested, with a positive return rate of 6.3%. The discrepancy between the positive return rate, the number of cases identified, and the number of people tested is explained by people receiving more than one test. We're seeing the virus coming down in terms of the rate of infection in the borough, and we're seeing this across all age ranges. And this is good news, but it must not be a cause for complacency. One age range where we are not seeing quite such a rapid fall in the virus is amongst those aged 20 to 44. So we do need to make sure that those people, if they're listening to this message, ensure that they are following the rules as much as they can. And we all need to be making sure that we're following the rules and changing our behaviour in certain circumstances. So, for example, whilst it isn't mandatory to wear a mask outdoors, you may wish to consider wearing one if you are waiting in a queue outside a supermarket or coffee shop, for example, where you're going to be standing around with people for quite some time. And of course, all of the other rules that need to be followed. So washing our hands wherever possible, wearing a face mask or covering when travelling on public transport, when we're in shops, supermarkets, or similarly enclosed public spaces, and maintaining a social distance of at least 2 meters. I know it's chilly, but if you keep your windows open so your rooms are well ventilated at home, then that will also have a beneficial effect. So until the next update, please look after yourself and each other. Thank you.